Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health MHA, Hospital Management and Master of Public Health MPH entrance exams for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT, PG, Lucknow University, Pune University, IIPS, Gandhinagar, Manipal University, AIMS, Nimhan, JIPMER, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institute which conducts Master of Hospital Administration, Hospital Management and Master of Public Health entrance exams, and for Common University Entrance Test CUT PG. Registration for 2024 may start in January 2024 and entrance exam will be on March 2024. So this video is very useful for various university and institutes, hospital management and public health entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, hospital management, Master of Public Administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here first question is, according to the Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules 1998 of India, Schedule 2nd, the waste included in Category 4 are Option A, human anatomical waste, Option B, waste sharps, Option C, animal waste, Option D, microbiology and biotechnology waste. So here correct answer is Option B, waste sharps. Here question is, according to the Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules 1998 of India, Schedule 2nd, the waste included in Category 4 are, correct answer is waste sharps. Next question is, according to biomedical waste, which of the following bag can be incinerated? According to biomedical waste, which of the following bag can be incinerated? Option A red, Option B blue, Option C green, Option D yellow. Correct answer is yellow. So here question is, according to biomedical waste, which of the following bag can be incinerated? So correct answer is yellow. So according to biomedical waste, yellow bag can be incinerated. Next question is, soiled waste is seen in the category. Soiled waste is seen in the category Option A 6, Option B 3, Option C 5, Option D 9. So correct answer is Option A 6. Soiled waste is seen in the category 6. Next question is, post-disaster earthquake in Pakistan, which of the following vaccines is recommended by WHO? Post-disaster earthquake in Pakistan, which of the following vaccine is recommended by World Health Organization, that is WHO? Option A typhoid, Option B cholera, Option C tetanus, Option D none of the above. So correct answer is none of the above. So post-disaster earthquake in Pakistan, none of the above. So all the options are not correct regarding the vaccines recommended by WHO. Next question, Chernobyl nuclear explosion accident occurred on 26 April 1986. It resulted in emission of Chernobyl nuclear explosion accident occurred on 26 April 1986. It resulted in emission of Option A methyl isocyanate, Option B union carbide, Option C uranium 235, polonium 210, Option D iodine 131, CS that is cesium 134, cesium 137, strontium 90. So correct answer is Option D, that is iodine 131, CS for cesium 134, cesium 137, SR for strontium 90. So correct answer is Option D. So question is, Chernobyl nuclear explosion accident occurred on 26 April 1986. It resulted in emission of, correct answer is iodine 131, cesium 134, cesium 137 and strontium 90. Next question is, in droughts commonly noticed vitamin deficiency is, noticed vitamin deficiency is option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin D. So correct answer is option A vitamin A. In droughts commonly noticed vitamin deficiency is vitamin A. So in droughts commonly noticed vitamin deficiency is vitamin A. Next question is, arrange the following phases of disaster cycle in a logical sequence. Arrange the following phases of disaster cycle in a logical sequence. Option A disaster impact, mitigation, rehabilitation, response. Option B disaster impact, response, rehabilitation, mitigation. Option C rehabilitation, response, disaster impact, mitigation. Option D response, disaster impact, rehabilitation, mitigation. So correct answer is option D, disaster impact, response, rehabilitation, mitigation. Here question is, arrange the following phases of disaster cycle in a logical sequence. So correct logical sequence is disaster impact, response, rehabilitation and mitigation. Next question is, during a disaster, rapidly classifying the injured on the basis of likelihood of their survival with prompt medical intervention is a part of. During a disaster, rapidly classifying the injured on the basis of likelihood of their survival with prompt medical intervention is a part of. Option A search, rescue and first aid. Option B triage. Option B tagging. Option D disaster mitigation. So correct answer is option B triage. So question is, during a disaster, rapidly classifying the injured on the basis of likelihood of their survival with prompt medical intervention is a part of. Correct answer is triage. Next question is, most commonly reported disease in the post disaster period is. Most commonly reported disease in the post disaster period is option A acute respiratory infections, option B gastroenteritis, option C tetanus, option D malaria. So correct answer is option B gastroenteritis. So here question is, most commonly reported disease in the post disaster period is. So most commonly reported disease in the post disaster period is, correct answer is gastroenteritis. Next question is, as per the most common classification of triage system that is internationally accepted, the color code that indicates high priority treatment or transfer is. As per the most common classification of triage system that is internationally accepted, the color code that indicates high priority treatment or transfer is option A black, option B yellow, option C red, option D blue. Correct answer is option C red. So as per the most common classification of triage system that is internationally accepted, the color code that indicate high priority treatment or transfer is, correct answer is red. Next question is, black color in triage is. Black color in triage is option A death, option B transfer, option C high priority, option D low priority. So correct answer is option A death. Black color in triage is, correct answer is death. Next question is, all vaccines are not given in disaster except. All vaccines are not given in disaster except option A cholera, option B tetanus, option C measles, option D tetanus. So correct answer is option C measles. So all vaccines are not given in disaster except measles. Next question is, true about triage is. True about triage is option A yellow least priority, option B red morbidity, option C green ambulatory, option D blue ambulatory. So correct answer is option C green ambulatory. Here question is, true about triage is, correct answer is green ambulatory. So green ambulatory is true about triage, and rest of the option, that is yellow least priority, red morbidity, blue ambulatory, these options are not true about triage. Next question, natural disaster causing maximum deaths. Natural disaster causing maximum deaths. Option A hydrological, option B meteorological, option C geological, option D fire. So correct answer is option A hydrological. So natural disaster causing maximum deaths. Correct answer is hydrological. Next question is triage is option A concept in trauma, option B a method of breast lump diagnosis, option C an investigation for duodenum and pancreas, option D management of old age health problems. So correct answer is option A concept in trauma. Triage is a concept in trauma. So triage is a concept in trauma. This is correct. Next question is epidemics after disaster are caused by all except. Epidemics after disaster are caused by all except. Option A leptospirosis, option B rickettsiosis, option C leishmaniasis, option D acute respiratory infection. So correct answer is option C, that is leishmaniasis. Epidemics after disaster are caused by all except leishmaniasis. So epidemics after disaster are caused by leptospirosis, rickettsiosis, acute respiratory infection, and epidemics after disaster are not caused by leishmaniasis. Next question, the gas responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy was. The gas responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy was option A methyl isocyanate, option B potassium isothiocyanate, option D C sodium isothiocyanate, option D ethyl isocyanate. So correct answer is option A methyl isocyanate. Question is the gas responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy was. So the gas responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy was methyl isocyanate. Option A is correct. Methyl isocyanate is the gas that is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy. Next question, which epidemic does not occur after a disaster? Which epidemic does not occur after a disaster? Option A leptospirosis, option B leishmania, option C ARTI. Full form of ARTI is acute respiratory tract infection, option D rickettsia. So here question is which epidemic does not occur after a disaster? So correct answer is leishmania. Leishmania is the epidemic which does not occur after a disaster, and leptospirosis, ARTI, rickettsia are the epidemic which occur after a disaster. Next question, nodal center in case of disaster management. Nodal center in case of disaster management, option A PSC. PSC full form primary health care center. Option B sub-center, option C CSC, that is community health center, option D district. So correct answer is option D district. Nodal center in case of disaster management, correct answer is district. District is the nodal center in case of disaster management. Next question, during massive disaster what should be done first? During massive disaster what should be done first? Option is search and rescue, first aid, option B triage, option C stabilization of victims, option D hospital treatment and redistribution of patients to hospital if necessary. So correct answer is option is search and rescue, first aid. So during massive disaster what should be done first? So correct answer is search and rescue and first aid. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given, which are very useful for hospital management and Master of Public Health entrance exams like Common University Entrance, CUT PG, Lucknow University, Pune University, IIPH Gandhinagar, IIPH Manipal University, AIMS, Nimhan, Chipmer, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health Administration, Hospital Management entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, hospital management, public health entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, They can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.